The Sydney Opera House is an iconic landmark located in Sydney. It is one of the most recognizable and visited tourist attractions in Australia. The architectural masterpiece is known for its unique design resembling fluttering sails or seashells. The Sydney Opera House is not only a world-class performance venue, but also offers a breathtaking view of the surrounding landscape. Located on Cape Bennelong, it overlooks Sydney's stunning harbour, providing visitors with a picturesque backdrop to visit. For those interested in exploring the Sydney Opera House, a variety of visit options are available. Tourists will be able to take tours to learn about its history, design, and the performances that take place within its walls. The tours provide insight into the behind-the-scenes workings of this world-class performing arts center. Travelers from all over the world flock to this architectural marvel to witness its grandeur firsthand and experience its rich cultural offerings. If you are planning a trip to Australia, a visit to the Sydney Opera House should definitely be on your itinerary. Whether you are a fan of architecture, theatre, or just want to enjoy the beauty of this cultural gem, it promises an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Sydney's vibrant art scene.